How to use the Magic Wand tool in Illustrator to select objects, PC or Mac. To display the Magic Wand panel, double-click or press Return the Magic Wand tool. You can select by fill colour, stroke weight, opacity, blend mode, or a combination of any of them. When you select one object, any object that matches the tolerance setting or below will be selected as well, depending on the fill colour, stroke colour, etc. if it's active. With the Magic Wand, if I click this object, this also is selected because it's of course fairly blue as well and is in this tolerance setting for fill colour. If I select this green object, none of the others are selected because the colours are completely different and outside of that tolerance. With the tolerance of 255, which is the max, you can select any object and all the others will be selected. You can reset the panel anytime. Simply go to the right side menu and reset, as well as hide other options. You can also use stroke colour. Set the tolerance to 32, select this one, which is pink, and none of the others will be selected. If I select a black stroke, these ones are selected. Because this is pink, it's not selected. It's outside of the range. You can also select by stroke weight. So I've got here 5. So if I select this one with the Magic Wand, click here, and this one is also selected because 6 point and 1 point is within that tolerance setting. These ones are not selected because they're 12 point. Opacity can also be used. Here I've got tolerance of 50%. So if I select this one, the opacity is 30%, click there, and now 60% is selected. The 100% ones are not selected. Select this one, and that's 100%. This will be selected. This will be selected because it's 60%. This one, because it's 30%, is outside of the range of 50 and will not be selected. You'll also notice that text is selected because, of course, the text is 100%. That is also selected. You can also select by blending mode. So set that, and now I've got here difference and difference. So click there, and both those are selected. Those ones are not. You can also set up multiple options, opacity and blending mode. Now I've got a tolerance of 20%. So if I select this one, that's the only one that's selected. This one falls out of the range, even though it's got difference as a blend mode. The opacity, unfortunately, is greater than the 20% allowed here. You've also got the select menu, so you can select all, deselect them all, also inverse the selection, as well as select same appearance, blending mode, and many others as well if you've got different plugins. Hope you found this tutorial of interest. Any questions, please put in the comments below. Please check out my other videos on the channel. Thank you much.